Delete the cube. Add Monkey Susan. And position it. Next add a plane. Scale it. Go to the edit mode. Extrude the edge. And apply bevel. Press Ctrl B. Move the mouse. And scroll the mouse to create number of edges. Apply smooth shading. Select the Susan. Apply smooth shading. Add subdivision surface modifier. Split the window. Select the shader editor. Add new material. Delete the principled BSDF. Add glossy shader. Change the color. Add material to the plane. Go to the world properties. Change color to environment texture. Add a HDRI image. Select the Susan. Add a mix shader. For bordered render. Ctrl B. Select the cycles render. Change the plane color. Duplicate the glossy shader. Change the color and roughness to look like gold. Duplicate the Susan. Select the first Susan. Add a new material. Change the color to look like copper. Duplicate the Susan. Select the first Susan. Add a new material. Change the color to look like silver. To remove bordered render, press Ctrl-Alt-B. Check the result in EV and cycles.